basement for the first time. We got in late last night. And still got some in the channels, which is expected. Still a little bit bouncy. It did rain a lot last night. Plus we know the sump pump would not have been working while we were gone. So we need to get that going. The pooling is less around the center, but still some pooling there. All right, well, let's get this sump pump going. Sump pump's on. It's a little rickety. It leaks, but it pumps outside. You better look here at this post jack. Completely useless. Oh, it just kicked off. This one has still got some pooling around it. I may need to go and see if I need to flip that back on. But the channel still has a lot of water. It's going to be multiple times of the sump pump running to get this cement pad down so that we can build more support structure like these and get a center beam up that isn't rotten. And of course my bug protection culture doubles as spider protection in the basement. There's a lot of spiders in here. Right, so after a day of getting the sump pump to kick on, checking it at least every hour to make sure it goes off, or on rather, our channels are much better. No bouncing and water coming out. Channels are looking good. There's still some water over here. Water has receded where the post is. And where this post jack is. That puddle is gone. And over here, just a little bit. We'll get it to kick on again. Here's our sump pump stick. And we'll just fish around, get it to go. Oh, maybe the water's low enough that it won't. Yeah, okay. So the water's low enough that it won't. Usually the water is up to the top of this lip here. Now it's about 4 inches below. So I may have to wait a little longer to see if more drains in and get it to go on again. But after a day, conditions are much improved. And hopefully that means tomorrow we can get started on more support walls and get going on a center beam, which I've showed in a prior video, but let me walk up and just remind what it is we're doing there. So these steel I-beams are going to be going in to support the center of the house.